So flooding from ice jams can cause significant and often very expensive damage for homes and business owners in Maine, just like we saw along parts of the Piscataquis River this week.
So what exactly is an ice jam and what causes it? Meteorologist Dana Osgood has more.
Spring in Maine brings lots of changes. Warmer weather, rain instead of snow, and seeing your lawn for the first time in a while. But the spring season also brings a lot of melting, and with it, the threat of ice jams. Ice jams, also called ice dams, happen when chunks of river ice clump together and block the flow of a stream or river. Ice jams happen most often in springtime, when warmer weather and rain thaw the snow and ice rapidly. The extra water causes frozen rivers to swell, breaking up the layer of ice on top of the river. The ice is then carried downstream, but can get stuck when the river narrows or curves. An ice jam forms, blocking the natural flow of the river. The water stuck behind the blockage rises, overflowing the banks and flooding nearby communities. Ice jams can happen on rivers and streams all over the state, but are most common in northern Maine, where river ice tends to be thicker throughout the duration of a winter. If ice jam flooding is a concern, the National Weather Service will issue flood advisories in areas where flooding would impact. A flood warning is issued when an ice jam flood is ongoing. If you see an ice jam, report it to the National Weather Service by submitting a flood report in the storm reports section of their website or by contacting your local authorities. In the studio, I'm meteorologist Dana Osgood, News Center Maine.